started running.
This is Ace's first watermelon juice. He loves it. Look at him looking at it. See if he gets mad if I take it away. He's 2 months. He loves it. How cute is that? Don't be biting it, buddy. You see him good?
Mm-hmm. Okay, how do I stop it?
Push the button.